Want to know how to add logs to your code in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. So in this video, I'm going to explain you and show you how a single prompt can help you add logging or logs to your code without even you editing it manually. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So you can just simply open up a new file and start typing in a code. So for me, I have this code right here. So what I can do is there are two options. One is I can open up a chatbot and just simply start giving it a prompt, or just simply I can just edit it. So in this video, I'm just going to edit it out. So in order to select quick edit, just simply select Ctrl+K, as you can see right here. You can just simply select this, and now you can just simply paste this prompt. Just simply type in add logging to show each step of execution. Just simply select enter. So once that is done, it should generate logs as well. So that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one. Want to know how to